Yo, what's up? Welcome everybody. It's Dan here with 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you were looking at a product that is made by HBADA. I am sitting on the E3. Now, the reason why I wanted to jump out and talk to you guys real quick, because if you spend long hours a day sitting at a desk scenario, whether you're in your home, your office, or you're gaming, vlogging, whatever the case is, this is by far the absolute most comfortable chair that I have ever sat in. Because the biggest pain points that I've had has been my lumbar and the constant trying to find the need for comfort when sitting for long hours a day. Now, I want to stress to you guys the importance when it comes to your health and your seating positions, because this chair ultimately solves all of those needs. And I cannot stress enough how comfortable this chair actually is, because this company right now with this chair is the first with the floating wing design for having that lumbar support system. There's a lot of chairs out there that have lumbar support, but this thing really concaves and wraps your body. And as far as the aesthetics of this things go, this brings you luxury, it brings you modern, it brings you kind of that nice design style to fit in any design scenario with inside your home, your office, your game room, the list goes on. So I'd like to bring you down for a closer look to take a look exactly what it is that I am raving about, because this chair really is a game changer, and I mean with comfort to your long hours a day. So stay tuned, check this out. You're gonna get a great look, and I kid you not, they have a great policy. This chair has a 3-year warranty, and it is a 30-day full warranty, means that you get to return this thing if you don't like it. But I can guarantee you right now, you will like it. So I didn't take the tags off just yet, only because I wasn't sure. This is my first full day that I've used this chair, and I wanted to get out in front of you and just rave about this thing, because it absolutely is incredibly comfortable. And I'm in my pajamas. I could literally go to sleep in this thing and be completely comfortable waking up the next day. Not to say that for you workers out there, that's an excuse, but it is comfy. Check this out. So first, let me introduce you to the 4D headrest. With a large oval design, using an incredibly unique U-shaped mesh system. This is incredibly breathable, so that way it keeps you with long hours of comfort, so you don't get hot and you're going to feel really relaxed. And best of all, this particular unit right here, this is designed to have a dual axis rotation. So what does that actually mean? You get to position this thing up to 70 degrees in a different fashion, from up to down, from front to back. That is a 4D headrest, and I can't tell you enough, this thing is absolutely slick, completely adjustable in all different manners. So depending on your unique comfort situation, this thing is designed to accommodate everyone, and I mean everyone. Now, to bring you down to the 60 adjustable armrest here, this thing is incredibly nice design. It is very stable, with giving you multiple rotations for that ultimate comfort, to whether you're sitting inward or outward. With the press of a button, this thing can be lifted real easy, and it can be dropped down real easy. And it also has a fold-up design mechanism. So if you're noticing right here on this opposite side and on the inside, press of a button, simple lift. Incredibly comfortable. And their brand is absolutely superb. Now I really want to show you guys the ultimate experience. The world's first ergonomic lumbar support. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the floating wings, this for me is the ultimate game changer. It gives you a constant wrap, completely hugging your waist and your sides. It is fully adjustable and customizable to your liking. So whether you want to position up or down, and it's adjustable by small increments with just the simple ease of hearing it click. Can you guys hear that? I can't stress enough how comfortable this thing actually is. And the back is also adjustable too. So, and it's as simple as lifting up or pulling up on this. As you can see, slides it back into place. Now, the last bonus of this chair that I want to show you guys, this is probably my favorite piece in addition to that lumbar support. This is a pull-out, full-on leg rest. Not just any style leg rest. I've had leg rest before, and I've had my legs rest on these, and it's always kind of felt a little wobbly. This is incredibly sturdy. Once this is fully out, you can throw your legs back and recline on this. This goes back 140 degrees. Now, before I show you that, I do want to show you an adjustment here on the side of the chair. So we've got two levers here. You have your standard lever, so that way you can position your chair up or down. And then you also have this lever to move your seat forward and back. And so you get the full viewing of it, you got to check this out. So if you want to solve the long hours of sitting in one day, this is what it is right here. Leg rest, pulled out, flipped up. Key point number one, headrest. We can adjust this as we want and need, forward and back. Now, this is the best part right here. This is going to be the relaxation. Get your power nap in, get your break in. If you need time to put your headphones on and just close your eyes and relax, recline the chair back 140 degrees, and this thing turns into a lounge. Those 60 position armrests, turn these guys in, put your hands forward, or if you like having your hands put up, put them up this way. Whatever makes your comfort more enjoyable. This thing is absolutely amazing, and I cannot stress enough the comfort of this. This is absolutely the most comfortable chair that I've got to experience. So this came into my home office. I'm getting one for my work office. Not going to say that it's going to keep me from doing some work, but you know what? It's all about the convenience of how you work. Because if you're not enjoying where you're working, what's the point of working? And the best way to enjoy it is you got to be comfortable. This chair makes that happen. So if you want a game-changing experience for the way that you work and your lifestyle and your personal experiences, give this a try, because I guarantee you guys are going to completely, incredibly love it. From the mesh that allows it to be breathable, give you that full experience without being hot and warm and sweating, and giving you that full comfort, that design wrap that's just going to comfort you with that just gentle touch, with the full lumbar support all the way around, from head to foot, straight through. It is comfortable. Great job, HBADA. I am in love with this chair. I cannot stress enough, and thank you guys how you were able to pinpoint on that engineering team to solve the exact issues, from the home to office to work, everything all into one package. Thank you guys all for watching. You definitely got to give this thing a try, because I guarantee you're going to love it. Trust me, try it out. These guys, their services are back with a 30-day risk-free and with no cost whatsoever. If you have to return it for any means, they will cover the cost of the shipping. And best of all, 3-year warranty. Check out the website for additional promotions, because this thing is absolutely awesome. Cannot stress enough. Try it out. Thank you guys all for watching.